In this video, you will learn how to fix Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal, cancel your protection, open Cash App, launch the Cash App app on your smartphone, then log into your Cash App account, check the withdrawal status, go to Activity tab, then review your cancelled Bitcoin withdrawal for details, verify your identity, ensure your identity is verified on Cash App. This will include your full name, date of birth, social security number if it's required. Ensure sufficient balance. Confirm your Bitcoin wallet has enough to cover with the withdrawal plus the extra fees. Contact Cash App support. If the issue still persists, reach out to Cash App support via their app or their official support channel to resolve the restrictions quickly. Retry the withdrawal. Once any verification is done and more steps are completed, attempt the Bitcoin withdrawal again. Now you know how to fix Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal is cancelled. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.